Ooh, we are sparking it up in the kitchen today. Chef Augie Salcedo is here from Sycuan Resort, along with Armando Silva, the restaurant manager there, talking about what you can do with your honey on this Valentine's Day. Good to see you guys again.
Good
How
morning.
are you?
Thanks for having us.
Oh, man, it's always good to see you.
Pleasure.
Okay, first thing we want to emphasize to folks, okay, separate from the casino.
Yes,
Two
exactly.
separate locations. So this is Sycuan Resort,
Exactly.
where the golf course is.
Where the golf course is at.
Okay, so if you're heading from San Diego out east, if you get to the casino, you've gone way too far.
You've gone way too far, and
Okay.
you've passed us.
And you had to drive right by it, though, so it shouldn't be too tough for folks to figure out. What have you got going for Valentine's Day?
Well, believe it or not, you're less than a week away from Valentine's Day. And as guys, you know, if we haven't planned it by now, we're in deep trouble.
Can you still accommodate folks out there, these procrastinators?
Absolutely, we can. So one of the things that we're doing, and I had this crazy idea when I was composing my Valentine's Day menus. I said, you know what? I'm going to take the top 10 aphrodisiac foods and incorporate it into all three courses.
And of course, what did I say when you told me that? I said, okay, there's got to be an oyster around here somewhere, and you said...
I said, absolutely not.
Too
Oysters
easy.
It's the obvious.
Okay.
It's too easy, exactly. So some of the top 10 aphrodisiacs are avocado, chocolate, of course, banana, pineapple, almonds, basil, and so you're going to see all those ingredients incorporated somehow, some way into the, like I said, into the three courses.
Okay, so you've got a whole menu going on here.
Yes.
But Armando, you've also got an opportunity for folks to come out and stay and put a whole package together.
Absolutely. As Chef said, we got a three-course menu going. We also got a hotel package put together with that. Comes with dinner, the night stay, and a glass of champagne, all for $219.
That's right.
So for $219, that's not each. That's for couple?
That's the couple.
That's for the couple?
Package,
Yeah.
absolutely. That's
Okay.
night stay and everything.
So guys, look at that. You get a beautiful stay out at Sycuan, and you get a nice meal. Now talk to me about the actual menu here then.
Yep. So what we're going to do today is I've got a nice piece of beautiful salmon, and notice that I have the skin on it. So I want to leave the skin on because what I'm going to do is I'm going to poach it, and I'm going to poach it in apple cider, Julian apple cider.
Oh, okay. You know, I kept looking at this going, I
You
know
thought
it's
it was
not oil.
Yeah, you thought it was oil, right? And to that, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of nutmeg, and I'm just going to let that simmer there for about 5 to 6 minutes.
Doesn't take long.
Doesn't take long at all. Then I'm going to put it out and I'm going to let it rest back on the plate, and then I'm going to compose my plate. What we have for the salmon is, like I said, as I mentioned earlier, I'm doing a basil and almond pesto. Very aphrodisiac. And then we're going to top it with a little bit of pancetta, a little bit of fennel salad, and then...
Pancetta. I see, I thought it was bacon.
Well, bacon, it's an Italian bacon.
But it's nicer than bacon.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Some of the other things, like I said, we're serving as an appetizer choice is we're going to shrimp with yellow beets and an avocado panna cotta. Which is very, very different. But again, avocado being the aphrodisiac ingredient in that course.
Now, Armando, you know, you're doing stuff year-round out there, obviously. But these special events, I mean, you really, you just really do it right, don't you?
We're trying. You know, chefs brought in a new level of culinary to the property, so we're trying to match that as well. Thursday through Saturday, we're doing three-course meal as it is, $25. You can't beat it. We're doing a wine supplement for $10 more, and that's the same idea we're doing with the Valentine's menu. We're pairing each course the chef is offering with a nice wine. For instance, with the salmon menu, we're doing a nice Chardonnay out of the Green Valley, out of the Russian River. 100% Chardonnay, 100% French oak barreled. Real nice, real well-structured flavors to go with chef's well-structured.
So if folks want to take advantage of the offer to come out and stay for just a little over $200, can't beat that for a couple. But also individual meals, if they maybe can't take the time or whatever to stay. But I mean, man, you better get on this now and call and make your reservation. It's going to fill up, isn't it?
Absolutely.
We're anticipating to be sold out. The one thing that you can also do that included with the or besides the package is we've got golf, we've got tennis, and we've got a spa. So if all that does not entice you to come, I don't know what's going to get it.
Yeah, where are you going to find all that?
Right,
Just a short
in one
drive.
location, sure.
Exactly.
Yeah, very good. Guys, thank you so much. Also, are you giving away a trip?
We are.
What do you got to go to your Facebook page and
Go to
just
our
like
Facebook.
you?
You like us on Facebook. Tell us how you met your significant other, and you get a chance to win the romance package that we're offering.
Fantastic. So there you go, folks. A chance for you to actually win that where it costs you nothing. Otherwise, it's still a phenomenal bargain. Guys, thank you so much.
Thanks for having us.
All right. For more information, you go to san diego6.com. You just click on San Diego Living.